Stock number 40881Y. It's a 2014 Grand Cherokee. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front bumper's no good. Radiator's damaged, radiator core support's damaged. The hood's no good as well. It's bent right here on the fender, front fender on the driver's side. The steering wheel airbag's deployed, the driver seat airbag's deployed, or the driver's seat belt's locked. Seats are automatic. Passenger dash airbags deployed. Does have a sunroof. Seatbelt's good. It's a Cherokee Trailhawk. Seatbelt's good. And the passenger knee airbags deployed as well. Stock number 40881Y. It's a 2014 Cherokee. It does have a key, it does not start.